Python 3, ImportError no module named Setuptools. I'm having troubles with installing packages in Python 3. I have always installed packages with setup.py install. But now, when I try to install the ANSI colors package I have no idea what to do because I didn't have Setuptools installed in the past. Still, I was able to install many packages with setup.py install without Setuptools. Why should I get Setuptools now? I can't even install Setuptools because I have Python 3.3 and Setuptools doesn't support Python 3. Why doesn't my install command work anymore?
Your setup.py file needs Setuptools. Some Python packages used to use distools for distribution, but most now use Setuptools, a more complete package. Here's a question about the differences between them. To install Setuptools on Debian. For an older version of Python, Python 2. X. Edit, official Setuptools docs page. If you have Python 2 greater than equals 2.7.9 or Python 3 greater than equals 3.4 install from python.org, you will already have pip and Setuptools, but will need to upgrade to the latest version on Linux or OS X. On Windows. Therefore the rest of this post related to distribute is obsolete, for example some links don't work. Edit February 4, 2022. From Python 3.10 distools is deprecated and will be removed in Python 3.12. Use Setuptools. The entire distools package is deprecated, to be removed in Python 3.12. Its functionality for specifying package builds has already been completely replaced by third-party packages Setuptools and packaging. Distribute, deprecated. Distribute is a Setuptools fork which offers Python 3 support. Installation instructions for Distribute Setuptools plus pip. Similar issue here. Update, Distribute seems to be obsolete. I merged into Setuptools. Distribute is a deprecated fork of the Setuptools project. Since the Setuptools 0.7 release, Setuptools and Distribute have merged and Distribute is no longer being maintained. All ongoing efforts should reference the Setuptools project in the Setuptools documentation. You may try with instructions found on Setuptools pip page. I haven't tested this. Sorry from.
Make sure you are running the latest version of pip. I tried to install Ansible and it failed with modular not found error. No module named Setuptools_Rust. Python 3 Setuptools was already in place, so upgrading pip solved it.
I was doing this inside a virtualenv on Oracle Linux 6.4 using Python 2.6, so the apt-based solutions weren't an option for me, nor were the Python 2.7 ideas. My fix was to upgrade my version of Setuptools that had been installed by virtualenv. After that, I was able to install packages into the virtualenv.
The solution which worked for me was to upgrade my Setuptools.
If you want to support the channel, please do